I remember someone once told me a fact that if you were to look at any kind of major city in the UK, you can normally draw a boundary west and east, and you would have more affluence on the west than you would on the east. And someone said this to me, and I thought, that's odd. I wonder why that is. And they said, well, actually, it's to do with planning and nature and air pollution, because during the Industrial Revolution, when all these major cities were, pumping out fumes from coal-powered facilities, all of that would create really dirty, unclean air, lots of air pollution. And the winds in the UK blow from west to east. And so all this dirty pollution that was being created in the city centres was moving eastward, creating a really horrible kind of environment to live and work in. But actually that's how you ended up having this financial affluence divide that is then further been entrenched as time has gone on. And as you say, Fatima, it's also a lot of these communities that because of that, because of these multiple layers of problems, have been kind of further pushed down the list and are most vulnerable to not just air pollution nowadays, which obviously is not from coal industry anymore, but it's from cars and lots of other factors. But actually, often they do tend to be the places with, the least resilience when it comes to things like flooding or the poorest quality of environmental spaces. And so I think, it's really important to be considering who is around the table. Not because the people there aren't great. Actually, it's lovely that so many people get involved in community councils and consultations, and we really appreciate people giving their time. But it is that recognition that there are voices missing, and they are the ones most impacted and with the least amount of resilience because of many factors over time.